Hey everybody, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious food. Guess what? We are in New York, all right? The weather is changed, all right? It's getting a little cool. And it's time for soup. That's right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, today I'm gonna make chicken soup with vegetables. All right, it's gonna bring the flavor together. All right, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table. All right, I have 1/4 cup of oil. You guys can use any oil you prefer. I have 1/2 stick of butter, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of oregano. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, don't use. Also, I have 2 tablespoons of salt. If you guys need more, just add it. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 8 cloves of garlic to bring the flavor together. All right. Also, I have 2 large onions. Also, I have 2 pounds of chicken stock. I have also 3 cups of chicken broth. Also, I have 1/2 pound of carrots, 1/2 pound of string beans. Also, I have 4 sticks of celery. All right, very good. Also, I have 1 bunch of cilantro, 1/2 bunch of parsley, plus I have 1.5 pounds of diced tomatoes. All right. Also, I have 4 large potatoes cut in pieces. You guys can cut any size you want it. Also, I have 4 pounds of chicken thighs. All right. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I'll be right here. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, let's go to start this food. All right. First of all, I'm gonna put medium high. Very good. Then I'm gonna start first with my oil. All right. Should I get the wrong one? All right. Start first. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, let's start. Let's get this oil ready. All right. But stay tuned. Welcome back. All right, my oil, it's ready. All right, that means I'm ready for my next step. Hey guys, would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. Now, my garlic. Very good. All right. Very good. Gonna stir a little bit. All right. Very good. After that, my onions. All right. Very good. This is gonna taste delicious, and it's very easy to do it. Right? Very good. All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Time to check. Ooh la la! All right, very good. My onions and my garlic, it's cooked. All right, you don't want to overcook. All right, because the stew is gonna cook with the water and all this stuff. All right, I'm ready for my my carrots. Very good. After that, my string beans. Very good. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Let's go. Very good. After that, my celery. All right. Please bring the camera together. Very good. Now I'm gonna stir it a bit. I'm gonna saute these vegetables, right? So the onions and the garlic will penetrate deeper in the vegetables. All right. So let's cook this a little bit longer. All right. So let me put now my potatoes. Very good. All right. Beautiful, nice and colorful. All right. So let's stir this a little bit. All right. I'm gonna let this cook for like 2 minutes. All right. And I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Now let's see what's going on. Please bring the camera together. All right. Very good. All right, it's looking good. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. My next step, it's gonna be my chicken thighs. Very good. Get there. All right. So now let's saute, all right, a little bit, this chicken thighs, all right? And I will be back very shortly. Welcome back. All right, time to check. All right. Very good. So I saute just a little bit so all the vegetables will concentrate, all right, with the meat, the chicken. All right. So now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is going to be my butter. All right. Very good. I melt the butter halfway. So, very good. So let's stir this a little bit. Let's melt this butter. All right. Very good. Very good. All right. So now my next step is gonna be my diced tomatoes. All right, very good. All right. Let's mix it up a little bit. All right, start to bring the color. Beautiful color. Yes. All right, very good. So I'm ready for my next step. All right, my next step, it's gonna be my bay leaves, my oregano, and black pepper. All right, bingo, very good. After that, my salt, and my basil. All right, bingo. All right, very good. After that, my thyme. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir very well. All right. These vegetables, so the ingredient comes together. All right, very good. All right, guys, my next step now. My next step, it's gonna be my chicken stock. Very good. All right. Very good. My next step is gonna be my chicken broth. Very good. So my next step, I have 4 cups of water, but for now I'm gonna put 2 cups, and I'm gonna add more. All right, so as right now I'm gonna put 2. I'll put 4. Why not? If I need more, I add it. Very good. All right, let's store this. All right. Now, let's cook. All right, let's cook halfway. All right. I'll be right back. All right, guys, time to check. Very good. All right, it's looking good and smells all over my kitchen. All right, very good. So now my meat is halfway cooked. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. Very good. My next step is gonna be my cilantro. The cilantro, you have to cook well done. All right, well done. So that's why you have to put the cilantro and the parsley when the chicken is halfway cooked. All right, my next step is gonna be my parsley. Very good. All right, let's stir. Please bring the camera together. Let's stir this a little bit. Very good. So let's cook the cilantro and the parsley. All right, before I go to my next step. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys, let's go. Hey, guys, I almost forgot. All right, time to check. Very good. Ooh la la! All right, that looks very good. So now my next step is gonna be my tomato sauce. Right, it's a small can, 8 ounce. Very good. All right. Very good. All right, mix it up a little bit. Very good. All right, so let's cook a little bit longer, right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, welcome back. Time to check. Has been cooked for 10 minutes. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 10 more minutes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, all right, very good. I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, please bring the camera together. Beautiful, and that's going to impress your guest. All right, looks beautiful. All right. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. All right, I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right. Cheers.